crafters, welcome back to Guys Craft 2. I'm John, and today I'm excited to talk about my newest subscription box, which is from Mrs Quilty. I've actually been getting the boxes from Mrs Quilty. This is my third one. The first two have had some amazing small projects in there. They always do a block of the month along with something else. I have been really excited, really like this group, this team. They seem very well priced. I will be honest, I have a bigger appetite for buying fabric and creating projects than I do getting them over to one of these machines and actually getting them cut out and completed. I have not done anything with the first two boxes that they've sent me other than set the materials on the shelf. But the fabric that they are sending me, I have to say I'm thrilled with, along with some of the thoughts and the ideas that go along with it. So I continue to keep the subscription, hoping that as my skills get better, I get a little bit more advanced, I'll catch up with some of these projects, but just hadn't happened yet. But anyways, Mrs. Quilty, and I will put a link down in the video below. June 2023. This is the box that I received. I'm always excited to open her boxes and see what's in here. Like I said, they have sent me some fabric that I probably either haven't seen or would never have necessarily bought for myself. But when I get it and open the box, it's like, wow, that's just so much what I want. They always do a nice job. They always include some type of little magazine. I love their saying, when life gives you scraps, make a quilt. I think that's cool. They always provide 2 packs of the same fabric because, again, it's for 2 projects, and then they always provide some type of little gift that goes along with that. So let me set that over there. So that said, let's take a look in the magazine that they gave us this month about what's in here. So the magazine always is a welcome to tell you what's going on. Always shows you the fabric, so there's a better picture for you along with what the fabric looks like and all the coordinating colors around it. They always talk about this as a project for quilters at all levels, and that probably is true. Just to be honest, it's just more that right now I seem to be collecting more projects than I can actually complete. This is meant to be a playful greens and whites, according to Mrs. Quilty. Time to tackle a new project. They talk about making this square, which I have not done anything like that yet. So that's definitely something I need to probably get in the direction. They always provide the templates to cut everything out, and then the project that they're giving us this month, they're calling a Hexy Log Cabin Pot Holder. And I'll be honest, their blocks of the month aren't so much what I want to really work on, but I really do like the projects that they're sending. And if I can get the magazine to hold up for you, I think this would be an awesome project to work on. And to be honest, I love the colors. Again, I think I do a really good job coordinating my own fabrics in that. But I have to say I've never been disappointed in any of the projects that they present, anything that's here. Again, they provide the cutout instructions for what each of those pieces look like, and they provided this month the gift for us were these bobbin holders, so thread holders. So anyways, that's the project. That's what Mrs. Quilty looks like this month. Again, really happy. I'm excited to probably do that log cabin pot holder, but I will be honest, that probably is not going to happen until later in the fall, and I'll get it ready in time for the spring. But I really do like the fabrics, the materials. The step-by-step instructions that they provide are just amazing. And so I'm really anxious to start one of their projects. I think once I get through the first one with them, it would probably be easy to keep up because they really do provide some simplicity. So there you go. That's what was in the June 2023 box. I will provide a link down below over to Mrs. Quilty. Like I said, I would definitely recommend that subscription. I've been really happy up to this point. As I finally get to the projects and get some completed, I'll definitely do another YouTube video and get those uploaded and talk about how successful those were or where I ran into some of the challenges. But until then, happy crafting and thanks for joining.